In this video, we are asked to find the probability that fewer than 4 houses have solar heating. We're told that 12% of houses do have solar heating and 19 houses are chosen at random. So to complete this question, we're going to need to use a binomial distribution. So the first thing I'm going to do is write down what my binomial distribution is. So I'm going to use x as my variable, and the b tells me it's a binomial distribution. If for my first number, I put the number n, which is my 19. It's how many houses are chosen. And then I'm going to put my probability. So because 12% of houses have solar heating, the probability will be 0.12. Now what we're trying to find is the probability that fewer than 4 houses have solar heating. So I want when x is less than 4. Now to work this out, I need to add the probability that x is equal to 0, the probability that x is equal to 1, 2 and 3. Now you may remember the formula for working out a probability of x being equal to r is equal to NCr multiplied by the probability to the power of r multiplied by 1 minus p to the n minus r. Okay, so r is obviously the value we're looking for, and n is the number of trials, which in this case is 19. So let's start by working out the probability that x is equal to 0. So in this case, we're going to have 19 C0 multiplied by 0.1 to the power of 0 multiplied by 0.88 to the power of 19. Next, we have the probability that x is equal to 1. So this is going to be 19C1 multiplied by 0.12 to the power of 1 multiplied by 0.88 to the power of 18. So you'll notice that the powers of 0.12 are increasing and the powers of 0.88 are going to be decreasing. So for our x is equal to 2, we're going to have 19C2, 0.12 to the power of 2, and then 0.88 to the power of 17. So we have exactly the same for x equals 3, so 19C3, 0.12 to the power of 3, and 0.88 to the power of 16. This is what we're going to type into our calculator, and this is going to give us an answer of 0.813. And this is the probability that x is less than 4.